I would like to take you through how to use Canva for your small business. So basically, you just go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, you can sign up with Google. So this is the logo that I want to take you through how I started and came up with this one. So basically we're gonna start out with a blank page. So you can pick a template. This is the one I love how the wordings. I want my logo to be on the side. So that's why I picked this one. And the goodness is that you can change the background. So if you want to recreate what we have before, this is what you do. I don't want this specific graphic, so I'll add an element. I'll just pick the pots that I had before. So this is how you start out. It's a bit big. You minimize it to your preferred size. You can move these wordings here so that you can have maybe space for your pot. And so basically this logo is for a pot making business, so a hand pot. So I'll pick this hand and have it here, but I know the color is not that shiny, so I can pick a darker color and I bring this pot forward, bring it forward so that it's fully settled on the hand. Yep, so you have something like this. So what's the name of your business? Maybe it's hand pots. We can name it hand pot KE. It depends. I've put KE because that's my country abbreviation. So functional cooking, something like that. Functional cooking, and let's say you want to maybe change up a bit the wordings to. Yep, yeah. We can have it remain in white or have it in. So here it's you playing with the colors that you will love. So you can change up the colors to what you want. It's a good color. You can also change this one up. So maybe this is. If you want to change the font, you can just go select it, choose a font that you love. So I don't want to bold it. And there you have your logo. If you want to download, you can click on. So it's 100% transparent. You can click on download. Maybe you want to change up the background. So you can go to remove background. upload an image, and here it is. You've got your image. So this is the original one before removing background, and this is the one that you can paste on a specific item that you would want to